You take $300 every month, $150 a paycheck, and we're going to automate it to the separate account. If you promise to do that and you do that for 8 years, you'll never have to invest again and you'll be financially set for life. This thing goes, come on, Dad. 8 years, $300 a month? What is that? As he does the math, he goes, that's over 8 years, $28,800. $28,800, how's that going to do anything? Especially if I don't add any more money after 27 years old. He goes, let me show you, son. Market's gone up 10% over 30 years. Let's apply a lower number. Let's do 8%. Be conservative. Let me show you what the numbers are when they compound. You know how much he has when he retires? $1.8 million. And all he put in was $28,800.
Wait, what? $300 into $1.8 million? Tony Robbins says it's possible. And I just had to see if it could actually work. Let's break it down. This sounds too good to be true. Where's the catch? Great question. That catch is simple, time, and consistency. Tony's strategies banks on the magic of compound interest. But let's be real. Who wouldn't want that $300 to work harder than a 9 to 5? Is this even legal? Sounds like a scam. I hear you, but no scam here. This strategy uses plain old index funds, nothing shady. It's all about smart, long-term investing. $300 isn't enough to start investing. How can this even work? Actually, it is. The key isn't how much you start with. It's starting early and letting compound interest do its thing. Don't underestimate the power of time. So I decided to test this out. Let's see what happens when you consistently invest $300 monthly in an index fund averaging about 10% annually. Spoiler alert, it's kind of amazing. And here it is. The power of compound interest takes $300 and turns it into a financial freedom. It's not magic, it's math. So what's stopping you from starting today? If this is inspiring you to think differently about money, hit that like button and drop your questions below. I'm here to help you get started on your journey to financial freedom.